Before I am going to explain this subject, you need to know why the Indian government convert all the masters and Visa ATM card to rupee salary of the future e-rupee QR code voucher, also known as new social security system, is coming in 2025. India is the first countries in Asia start this process with the help of Indian most famous bank SBI, and it will be applied in the whole world soon. It's look like food code which provided by the IT companies. Government and private corporation will decide what, when and how much you can buy and consume. What is this new social security system all about? It is your salary of the future e-rupee QR code voucher. Before I am going to explain this subject, you need to know why the Indian government convert all the masters and Visa ATM card to rupee card. If you understand this, you will know what this new social security is. Did you know the Indian government convert all the masters and Visa ATM card to rupee card? I am telling you, most of the Muslim known the next world capital will be the Jerusalem in 2030. The whole world are moving towards Jerusalem, and the rupee company headquarters is shifted to Jerusalem in future. Your money will be controlled from there. That's why the Indian government converts all the master and Visa ATM card to rupee card. What is e-rupee QR code voucher? The purpose of this e-rupee QR code voucher may person specific voucher, and that voucher will be expire at a designated date. So this will become your salary of the future. E-rupee QR code voucher, the whole world are moving towards this mysterious code voucher in the next few years. What will happen if they put all your salary in the QR code voucher? You can't see, you can't touch your money. Bank will be responsible to promote this code voucher, and take a look how they promote this. Number 1, Naya India ka Naya Rupee. Number 2, one time use with defined validity. Number 3, purpose and person is specific. Number 4, contactless and cashless. Number 5, safe and secure transaction. Number 6, personal data is protected to ensure privacy. These are the propaganda made by Indian bank, or it will be applied all over the world soon. And you know, in future, government not rule the world, bank will rule the world. This is the step towards the end game. If they put all your salary in the QR code voucher, you can't see, you can touch your money. What will happen if your salary of the future e-rupee QR code voucher? I am telling you in advance. Government and the private corporation will decide what, when and how much you can buy or sell, and how much you can consume. This is already started in India. It will be applicable all over the world within the few years. This is also called as carbon taxation, which is coming within the few years. I am not telling you more than this because I am not allowed to tell you about this. You need to search in other search engine. What is this? Please.